In the shadow of World War II, Italy was rebuilding. From the ashes of conflict rose a nation of innovators, dreamers, and fearless entrepreneurs. One man would transform leftover war machinery into tools of peace, and later into icons of speed and luxury. This is the story of Ferruccio Lamborghini, a farmer's son who built an empire on wheels, challenged the gods of Maranello, and created the raging bull that still charges today. Welcome to the history of Lamborghini. We begin at the very start, the creation of his first vehicle, the car that changed everything. Born on April 28, 1916, in Renazzo di Cento, Ferrara, under the zodiac sign of Taurus the Bull, Ferruccio Elio Arturo Lamborghini grew up on his parents' vineyard farm. From a young age, he was fascinated by mechanics, not grapes, but gears, engines, and anything with moving parts. His parents wanted him to become a farmer, but Ferruccio had other plans. He studied industrial mechanics and, during World War II, served in the Italian Air Force as a mechanic on Rhodes Island. There, he honed his skills repairing trucks and engines under pressure. When the war ended in 1945, Italy was in ruins. Farmers needed affordable tractors, but imports were expensive and scarce. Ferruccio saw opportunity in the mountains of military surplus left behind. In 1948, in a small garage in Cento, he founded Lamborghini Trattori. Using Morris truck engines and surplus parts from American military vehicles, he built his first tractor, the Carioca. It was simple, rugged, and cheap. Farmers loved it. By the 1950s, Lamborghini Trattori was booming. Ferruccio introduced innovative features like air-cooled engines and even helicopter prototypes later on. He employed hundreds, became a millionaire, and diversified into heating systems and burners. Ferruccio lived the good life. Fine wines, beautiful homes, and a growing collection of fast cars. Mercedes, Maserati, Jaguar, and Ferrari. Ferruccio owned several Ferraris, including the coveted 250 GT. He loved their speed and style, but not their reliability. The clutch was a constant problem, noisy, prone to failure, and requiring frequent trips to the factory for repairs. As a master mechanic himself, Ferruccio noticed something shocking. The clutch in his Ferrari was nearly identical to the one in his tractors, but far more expensive. One day, frustrated, he drove to Maranello to confront the man himself, Enzo Ferrari. "Signor Ferrari, your cars are magnificent, but this clutch, it's the same as in my tractors, and it keeps failing." "Lamborghini, you know how to drive tractors. Stick to that. Leave the cars to me." Whether the exact words were spoken or not, the story has become legend. Enzo's arrogance lit a fire in Ferruccio. He vowed not just to fix Ferraris, but to build better ones. "I decided I would make a perfect car. Very normal, very conventional, but perfect." In 1962, at age 46, the tractor king decided to challenge the prancing horse. In May 1963, Automobili Ferruccio Lamborghini SPA was born. Ferruccio chose Sant'Agata Bolognese, just 25 kilometers from Ferrari's Maranello, as the perfect location. A brand new state-of-the-art factory rose quickly. The logo? A charging bull, fierce, powerful, reflecting Ferruccio's Taurus sign and his stubborn determination. He assembled a dream team of young, brilliant engineers, many poached from Ferrari itself. Giampaolo Dallara, chassis genius, Paolo Stanzani, his assistant, Bob Wallace, New Zealand test driver, and for the engine, Giotto Bizzarini, the man behind Ferrari's 250 GTO. Ferruccio's vision, a grand tourer that combined blistering performance with everyday luxury. Faster than Ferrari, more comfortable, more refined. No race car compromises. This would be the ultimate road car. Time was short. Ferruccio wanted to unveil his car at the 1963 Turin Motor Show, just months away. Giotto Bizzarini designed a masterpiece, a 3.5-litre V12 engine with 4 overhead camshafts, producing nearly 360 horsepower in race tune. Front engine, rear-wheel drive, independent suspension. The body was entrusted to Franco Scaglione, styled by Carrozzeria Saggiotto. Sleek, futuristic, controversial, with pop-up headlights and a sharp fastback. In an incredible 4 months, in a corner of the tractor factory, the team built the 350 GTV, Gran Turismo Veloce. But drama struck. The massive V12 didn't fit under the low hood. No time to fix it. Legend has it, they filled the engine bay with bricks to weigh it down, and kept the hood welded shut at the show. Unveiled in October 1963, the silver-blue prototype stunned the world. The press raved about the engine displayed beside it. But critics called the styling too radical. Ferruccio listened. Ferruccio commissioned Carrozzeria Touring Superleggera to refine the design. Smoother lines, fixed headlights, aluminium body. The engine was detuned for road use. Side draft carburetors, wet sump, 280 to 320 horsepower. Reliable, refined, luxurious. Debuted at the 1964 Geneva Motor Show, the Lamborghini 350 GT was everything Ferruccio promised. Top speed over 250 kilometers per hour, exquisite leather interior, and silence where Ferraris rattled. The first customer car was delivered in July 1964. Only 120 were built, each a masterpiece. It proved Lamborghini wasn't a flash in the pan. It was here to stay, from a clutch complaint to a global icon. Ferruccio Lamborghini didn't just build his first car. He unleashed a bull that would rage against the establishment forever. The 350 GT wasn't just Lamborghini's first production vehicle. It was the start of a revolution. Next time, the Miura, the car that invented the supercar.